The city hums beneath a glass tower, where ambition fuels a sleek atrium, holographic displays casting light across faces that shape the future. Jake stands at the heart, a tech titan whose ideas redefine eras. His presence silences the room, his tailored suit a second skin, his gaze steady, bending chaos to his will. Then he sees her, Mia, an architect whose designs defy gravity, her voice cutting through the din like a melody only he hears. She's not just radiant, she's a force, dismantling a rival's argument with a single piercing insight. Jake's heart stirs, not with doubt, but with a stoic challenge. Can he speak words that reach her hidden heart, even if it risks his own calm? Brother, welcome to Stoic Reign, where Stoicism women crave meets the eternal flame of Stoic philosophy. Stoic philosophy sharpens your words to cut through her defenses. In an age of digital masks and hollow gestures, 3 forbidden compliments, raw and soul-striking, can make her drool over you, forging a bond that outlasts time. These aren't fleeting quips, they're Stoic keys, unlocking desire through Stoicism for women. Join me, brother, to master Stoicism lessons that make Mia, or any woman, yours forever. Will Jake claim her soul? Hit subscribe, smash that like, and let's forge your Stoicism mindset to reign over attraction. In a world where holographic feeds flood minds and AI shapes lives, Stoicism. Women seek men who stand unshaken. Marcus Aurelius said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Your words, brother, are your legacy." Most men toss "you're gorgeous" like fading pixels, lost in a swipe. But Stoicism for beginners crafts words as enduring as stone, precise, striking her soul. These 3 compliments, forged in Stoic philosophy, don't just charm. They ignite obsession, build bonds stronger than steel, and crown you a high-value man. Why? Because Stoicism. Women crave men who see beyond the surface, whose mental health radiates strength, whose productivity commands reverence. In a maze of virtual noise and shallow connections, Stoicism relationships demand truth. Ready to redefine how she sees you? Let's storm the Stoic Reign and master the compliments that make Stoicism women yours. Compliments aren't about ego. They're about vision, seeing her essence in a world distracted by screens. Jake, commanding that atrium, wasn't just a titan. Stoicism for women taught him, power fades, presence endures. Epictetus said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so we can listen twice as much as we speak." A compliment isn't flattery, it's a mirror to her soul. Most men falter, chasing status or approval, but Stoicism motivation demands you notice what others miss: her resilience, her spark, her hidden depths. A forbidden compliment, carved from Stoic quotes, plants a seed, making her wonder, why does he see me? Brother, are you hearing her core? Let's unlock the first key to Stoicism women's hearts. First, her mind's fire. There's a fire in the way you think. It's rare, and I can't stop noticing it. This paradox, her mind's fire burns brightest when she thinks no one sees, strikes deep. Jake watched Mia pitch a radical design to a skeptical magnate, her logic slicing like a blade. Most would say, "You're clever." Jake, steeped in Stoicism practice, leaned in. "There's a fire in how you think. It's rare, and I can't stop noticing it." Mia's eyes widened, a spark igniting. Why? Stoicism women drown in shallow praise, but praising her intellect, her unique lens, hits deeper. Unfinished thoughts linger, haunting her, craving your insight. Stoic philosophy demands mindfulness, and this says, "I see your soul's blaze." Use it when she shares a bold idea or navigates a crisis. Pause, smirk, let it land. What makes her mind burn, brother? Journal a moment her thoughts lit you up. This is Stoicism daily. See her, and she'll chase you. Second, her radiant energy. Stoicism? Women don't want to feel admired. They want to feel singular. In an era where digital facades mask truth, mental health craves authenticity. You make everyone around you feel alive, and I bet you don't even know it. This paradox, her vitality shines brightest in her unawareness, cuts through. Jake saw Mia rally her team, her energy electrifying the atrium. He didn't say, "You're fun." He said, "You make everyone around you feel alive, and I bet you don't even know it." Mia's laugh paused, her gaze locked on him. Why? Stoicism. Women seek impact, not applause. This, rooted in Aurelius's call to dwell on life's beauty, validates her essence, her radiance. It affirms her as vital, making her feel she matters. Specific and emotional, it's a rare strike. Use it when she lifts a group spirit or inspires. Pause, let her feel it. Does she know her light, brother? Right when she lit up a room. This is Stoicism Exercises. Notice, speak, connect. Third, her quiet strength. There's a quiet strength in you that feels like it could reshape my world, and I'm not sure I'm ready for it. This paradox, her strength is most powerful in its silence, lands like a thunderbolt. At the gala, Mia teased Jake about his vision, her eyes daring him. He paused, voice low. There's a quiet strength in you that feels like it could reshape my world, and I'm not sure I'm ready for it. Mia's smirk softened, her breath catching. Why? Stoicism. Women love depth, not pedestals. This creates tension, framing her as a transformative force, yet keeps you grounded. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react." This reacts with daring, making her chase your meaning. Use it during playful banter. Deliver it slow, eyes locked. What's her silent power, brother? Journal a moment her strength moved you. This is Stoicism women at its peak. Bold, magnetic, true. Stoicism relationships balance interest and independence. Where digital swipes flood with "you're hot," Stoicism women crave men who spark curiosity. This isn't manipulative. It's authentic, reflecting Stoic philosophy's call to live vividly. Try it on a date or flirty chat. Let her wonder. Will Mia fall for Jake? Let's forge your Stoic reign. Stoicism for women demands presence, not tricks. Mental health falters when men chase validation over truth. Stoicism practice means listen, observe, speak from strength. Jake learned this at the gala. Mia wasn't swayed by wealth or fame, but by words that saw her soul. Stoicism daily times these right. The first for her ideas, the second for her energy, the third for her depth. Don't rush, pause. Let her feel your gaze. Stoicism lessons demand control, avoiding generic traps. Be real, brother. Are you ready to see her? Write "I am Stoic" in the comments to join our Stoic Happiness Brotherhood. Here are 4 Stoic exercises to master these compliments. First, notice her essence. Each night, reflect. What unique trait did I notice today? Write her wit or resolve. Jake noted, Maya's sharp mind stunned me. This builds mindfulness for Stoicism women, easing anxiety by focusing on depth. Second, pause before praise. Before praising, pause, whisper to yourself, "I am present." Note when you held back cliches. Jake wrote, "I skipped pretty." She smiled more. This enhances Stoicism practice for control. Third, celebrate her impact. Once a week, praise her influence like, "You lit up that room." Note her reaction. Jake wrote, "Mia glowed when I saw her energy." This boosts motivation for Stoicism relationships. Fourth, embrace her depth. When she challenges you, use the third compliment. Then write, "I saw her quiet strength." Note her spark. Jake wrote, "Mia leaned in." Hooked. This fuels self-improvement with Stoic quotes. These exercises sharpen your Stoicism mindset, making compliments authentic. Where productivity drowns connection, they ground you in mental health, ensuring you stand out. Try them tonight. Watch her light up. Will Jake's exercises win Mia? Let's lock it in. Take on a 21-day Stoic Compliment Quest to master these compliments and win her heart. Brother, this journey builds a Stoicism mindset that Stoicism women crave. Choose a woman in your life, a crush, friend, or even a coworker, and let's start. For the first 7 days, see what makes her unique. Each night, jot down one trait you noticed, like her confidence or wit. Jake started by noticing Mia's calm in chaos, writing, "Her steady voice stood out." This sharpens your Stoic focus, training you to see her soul. If you're shy, just observe quietly, no pressure. From days 8 to 14, practice perfect timing. Before praising, pause to feel present, then try the first compliment. There's a fire in how you think. Or the second, you make people feel alive when she shares something meaningful. Jake used the fire line when Mia pitched her idea, noting, "She lit up." This builds Stoicism practice, making your words land deep. From days 15 to 21, spark her interest. Use the third compliment. "There's a quiet strength in you that could reshape my world," during playful banter, and note her reaction. Jake said it when Mia teased him, writing, "Her eyes locked on me." This cements Stoicism women's desire, forging a bond that lasts. This quest, rooted in Stoic philosophy, turns you into a man who sees and inspires. Start tonight, brother, and watch her chase you. Subscribe now to unlock weekly Stoicism lessons that forge you into the man she can't forget. Science shows habits like these cut stress, boosting mental health. Stoicism, motivation thrives on action, forging Stoicism relationships that endure. Share this video with a brother who needs to spark desire, or post "I am Stoic" on X with a Stoic Reign to join our 10,000 strong brotherhood and unlock exclusive Stoic wisdom. Start tonight, brother, and become her king. Women who crave depth navigate a world of digital noise, holographic facades, AI-driven lives, relentless ambition. Mental health falters under superficiality. Yet Stoicism for women offers salvation, men who see beyond the surface. Jake wasn't flashier than the atrium's elite, but his Stoicism mindset, rooted in Seneca's call to value substance over show, made Mia choose him. Productivity pushes hustle, but Stoicism lessons demand presence. Compliments, delivered with Stoicism practice, pierce the chaos, offering Stoic happiness. Brother, in a world of fleeting connections, be her anchor. Are you her rare spark? Jake stood in that atrium, power at his fingertips, but Stoic-hearted women guided his path. His compliments didn't just win Mia's glance, they won her soul. Stoicism. Women don't want flattery. They want men who see, challenge, and inspire. These three compliments, fire in her mind, life in her presence, strength in her depth, are your Stoic philosophy arsenal. Where self-improvement battles distraction, Stoicism relationships are your throne. Share this wisdom, wield the exercises, and subscribe to forge your Stoicism mindset. Brother, you don't chase desire, you summon it. You don't seek love, you spark it. Be Stoic. Be her fire. Reign as the king she'll never forget.